For today's problem on the Math Musings page, we're going to talk about the game show Let's Make a Deal. So, Let's Make a Deal was started in the 1960s, and their host at that time was the famous Monty Hall. Now, the show is still on TV, and it's hosted by the hilarious Wayne Brady. Basically, when you go to the game show, you dress in a crazy outfit with the hopes that you will get selected to make a deal with the host. Often, this deal requires that you have three curtains, or you have something hidden in a purse, or something hidden behind a big box, and so on. But the big deal definitely has these three curtains, and you have to make a choice on which curtain you want to select. But behind some of the curtains, we have fabulous prizes. Maybe you have a beautiful car, but behind other curtains, you might have what's called a zonk. So a zonk could be a terrible prize. Maybe you think it's going to have four wheels and it's a little bitty wagon. Or you get a live animal that you're like, I don't know what I'm going to do with this live animal. So in this picture, we have an alpaca. That would be the zonk of the day. So the following question was posted in Parade magazine in the 90s, and it caused much controversy among readers after the solution was published. So the question says, suppose you're on a game show and you're given the choice of three doors. Behind one door is a car. Behind the other are goats. You pick a door. So let's say you pick number one. And the host, who knows what's behind the other doors, opens one of them. Say number three, which has a goat. He then says to you, do you want to pick door number two? So do you want to switch to door number two? Is it to your advantage to stay with what you originally selected, or switch your choice? So the way that we're going to simulate this is you're going to play this game with a family member using playing cards. So two red cards are going to be the bad ones. Those are going to be the zonks. And then one black playing card is going to be a car. So you're going to play the game 20 times for round one, always sticking with your original choice. So really you don't need a family member for this part because basically you're just shuffling the cards and you're selecting one of them. You're looking at it, and if it's a black card, you've won. If it's a red card, you've lost. And just kind of record, along the way, how many times you win, how many times you lose. And then round number two, now you're working with a family member, and that family member is going to be Monty Hall. So you're going to play the game again, another 20 times. And this time you're going to switch your choice. So you're going to choose a card, and Monty Hall will show you what the card is. Well, no, hang on. You choose the card. I said this wrong. You don't know what's behind it, so you haven't looked at it at all. And then Monty Hall is going to show you another card. He's going to show you one of the goats. And then he's going to say, hey, do you want to switch your answer? So you selected maybe curtain number one, but do you want to switch to curtain number two? And then you are always going to switch in this round. And then you repeat. So my question is, which one's better? So should you stay with your original choice or should you switch? And then think about what the probability of winning is for each. So this was the answer that was posted in the Parade magazine, and readers were furious. They thought that mathematically it could not be possible that you would. So what's the answer? Should you switch or should you stay? All right, good luck with this and have a lot of fun.